Okay, so got a small package today. I think this is the 5 pieces of motorcycle keys for the Yamaha R1 models that I ordered. They're from China, all the way from China. They took roughly 10 days to get here, and the price was $6.99. But I mean, for 5 pieces of keys, I mean that's pretty cool. And it took 10 days to get here, but it's fine because I was gonna buy just a regular key for like $10. So just ordered this one. They got different colors. They got blue, black, and red, and you can order them the same page on eBay, and they will cost you $7 with free shipping and handling. And basically, you can give it a nice look to your key if you want to change that, just for looks. For $10, I mean for $7, I mean I think it's a good deal. You can probably sell just the rest of the keys, 4 of them, for like $5 each, and then make your money back and keep the one that you're going to use on your bike. So I think the quality, it's nice. I mean, not bad. No, as you can see, has the Yamaha logo on it. I think that's oh yeah, has like a plastic thing so it doesn't scratch it. So yeah, that's aluminum with paint. This looks pretty cool. Just go to your local Ace hardware store and then make the queue for it, and then you're good to go. So I don't know if you guys want to give it a try and buy these cheap keys and use them and sell the rest of them, and then make a little bit of profit. So yeah, that was the quick video of today, and see you on the next one. So I'm gonna keep having new packages arrive most of the week and during the week. So let me know what you guys think, and I'll see you on the next one.